Hi folks, today is our total communication, lesson 9, page 24, comunicação total, lição 9, página 24. Today we're going to have practicing the presente simples in Portuguese, which means 4 verbal tenses in English, but in this very first moment we're going to use 3 verbal tenses. Okay, we're going to see how we can replace the verb to go, which is verbo ir in Portuguese. We're gonna replace it by the simple present, the immediate future, and the simple future. You're going to see that you can use one time in Portuguese and it represents the 3 verbal sentences. Okay, let's take a look. Letter A, I put there, verbo ir. It means verb to go. I put there presente simples. That's in Portuguese, because I told you that presente simples doesn't mean simple present. Just literally, but not in the practice. Eu vou. Eu vou. Eu vou is the first person singular of the verb to go. I go. But eu vou also means I'm going. You can replace it for I'm going. And you can also replace for I will go. You see that? That's good. So, eu vou means I go, I'm going, or I will go. You can make a choice. Você vai. Você vai. Você means you. In that case, singular. Okay? Singular. Você vai means you go. Or you're going. Or you will go. Okay? You go, you're going, or you will go. Okay? Ele vai. Ele vai. Ele vai means he goes. He goes. Ele vai. But it also means he's going and he will go. He will go. Ela vai. Ela, she. She goes. Ela vai. But can be she's going and she will go. You see that? Okay. Well, we have there the neutral, the it. We don't have that in Portuguese. You can use he or she, depending in case of animal, the masculine he, the feminine she, okay? And for things, it. Ele or ela. For a computer or for a cell phone or for a car, that depends. Then you can put your it. But it's the same. It goes, it's going, it will go. Ele vai ou ela vai. It's the same. All right. Plural now. First person singular, plural. Nós vamos. Nós vamos. We go. Or we're going. Or we will go. I put there something new for you. We'll go, I put equals a gente vai. I put an observation here at the end of this page. Observação. Observação is the same as observation. Observation. This word is also from Latin. Okay? Observação. Observação. Observation. Okay? Then I put there that the personal pronoun nós, we, has an equivalent popular form. That form is a gente. A gente. Okay? A gente. So, nós means a gente. You can change one for the other. It's very popular among people. A gente instead of we. Okay? You have not to consider the two words a gente, because gente, separated, means the people, okay, the persons, okay. That form is a gente, okay, a gente is the same as we, but the conjugation is different. We say we go, nós vamos in Portuguese, nós vamos. But we don't say a gente vamos, we say a gente vai. Okay, esse vai is like you go, você vai, ele vai ou ela vai, então a gente vai. Okay, I put this in here because it's very common, okay, and we're gonna see it in many conversations. Okay, it's very informal, but in general people use it a lot. Okay, let's return there. Nós vamos, we go, or we're going, or we will go, or a gente vai is the same as we go. A gente vai is the same as we go, we're going, and we will go. Okay? Vocês vão, vocês. You go, you guys, plural. Vocês vão. You're going, you will go. Eles vão, they go. Elas vão, they go. Elas is the feminine, okay, of they as masculine. They is masculine, they go, they're going, they will go. And it happens in the same way for the feminine form. They go feminine, because she in plural, right? They're going, they will go. Okay? Elas vão. Eles vão, elas vão. And they are plural for the it. Okay? Animals or things. No matter. All right? Okay. I'm putting this verb here because you can check it. We're going to practice in a dialogue form, okay, in the last 2 pages of this lesson. And then you can see why we're using this. Okay, this is the verb go. It's very interesting verb because it replaces all those things. I'm not considering here the present perfect, but it's also replaced. But I didn't put present perfect in this dialogue, okay? It will be for a further lesson, okay? All right, then I repeat. Eu vou, I go. Você vai, you go. Ele vai, he goes. Ela vai, she goes. It goes. Nós vamos, we go. Vocês vão, you go. Eles vão, they go. Vão, vão. You see the pronunciation? Vão. Elas vão, they go, feminine. But it may be immediate future and the simple future too. Okay? And consider that a gente vai. Gente, gente. You see the pronunciation? Gente, like chi at the end. CH, sound of CH in English. Gente. Okay? All right. So this is the verb to go in the affirmative statement, affirmative sentence. And in the next page, I'm going to show it in the negative situation. It's the same. Okay? Take a look now. It's page 25. Okay? Practicing present simples. I just put there forma negativa. Forma negativa. Forma negativa means negative form. Negative form. Okay? So, let's see. We use não. Eu não vou. N-A-O. And the tilt over the A. Não. Não. It means no. No. Negative. Or, in case of bread, o do. Do not. That not No or not is no. I don't go. I'm not going. I will not go, or I won't go. Okay? Eu não vou means all that. You can simply say eu não vou. Okay? Eu não vou. I'm not going, or I will not go. You simply say eu não vou. You can replace the three situations easily. Você não vai. Você não vai. Você não vai. It means you don't go. You're not going. You will not go. Ok? Você não vai. Alright? Ele não vai. Ele não vai. He doesn't go. Ele não vai. He doesn't go. Or he's not going. Or he will not go. Ok? Ela não vai. She doesn't go. She's not going. She will not go. Okay? And neutral, it doesn't go. It's not going. It will not go. Or ele or ela. Ele or ela. You can use one of them. Ele for masculine, ela for feminine. Okay? Nós não vamos. Nós não vamos. It means we don't go. But it can mean also we're not going. Or we will not go. Or a gente não vai. A gente is the same as we. I told you in our previous page. And we say a gente não vai. A gente não vai. It means we're not going. A gente não vai. Ok. Vocês não vão. Vocês não vão. You don't go. Plural. Vocês não vão. You see, o vocês, you guys, is vão. And you, singular, ok? You say vai. Você vai e vocês vão. Você vai, you. Vocês vão, you guys. Vão. Ok? Vocês não vão. It's negative. Vocês não vão. Ok? So, you don't go. You're not going. You will not go. Or you won't go. Right? Ok. Eles não vão. Eles. They don't go. This is the masculine form. Eles não vão. Ok? He has a plural. Eles. She has a plural. Elas. Elas não vão. Eles não vão. He or she, that depends. Plural of them. They don't go. They are not going. They will not go. Ok? Elas não vão. They don't go. They're not going. They will not go. Elas não vão. Okay? You see, the negative is you just put that não. Eu não vou. Just that não. We don't have any auxiliary verb in this case. Simple as that. And in letter C, I put there forma interrogativa. Forma interrogativa is a Latin word too. You just say interrogative. Interrogative means interrogativa. You see, interro, strong R, like an H for you, interrogativa. And you say interrogative. Forma is form. Form. So the words are quite similar. All right? This is the Latin root. This is interesting. Forma interrogativa, interrogative form. I put there, it's the same as the affirmative form. We don't have any difference. You see that? It's the same. The only difference is in the intonation. The only difference is in the intonation. Got it? For example, I put there, I go, eu vou. Eu vou means I go. Is affirmative. And you have in English, do I go? Okay? But in Portuguese, you don't say that. You simply say, eu vou. Eu vou is affirmative. Eu vou is a question. Eu vou is a question. Okay, you are making an interrogation. See that? All right. I put there, você vai, you go. Você vai. Você vai, you go. Affirmative. Você vai. But if I say, you go, it means interrogative. Você vai, it means, do you go? Do you go? You simply say, você vai? If I could say in English, I go. Then I say to you, you go? That's the way you say. You go, not do you go. You go. The intonation is the key in that situation. Got it? That's the way Portuguese is. Not just Portuguese, but practically the other languages in Latin root. Okay. Another one. Ele vai. Ele vai. He goes. Ele vai. If I want to say does he go? I simply say ele vai. Ele vai. Just a matter of intonation. Easy then, right? Could not be easier because you don't have to change anything, just the intonation, right? Ele vai. He goes. Does he go? Nós vamos. Nós vamos. We go. We go. Nós vamos is a question. Nós vamos. It means, do we go? Do we go? You simply say, nós vamos. Okay? That's it. Eles vão. They go. They go. Eles vão. They go. Eles vão. Eles vão. Eles vão. It means, do they go? If you could say in English, they go. They go? It should be the question. Just that. Okay? No auxiliary, no anything, just the intonation. When it's negative, you have to say não. Eles não vão. That não means no or not. Okay? This is the negative. Okay? It's the same. I put over there, a gente vai. A gente vai, it means we go. A gente vai. A gente vai? A gente vai? Is a question. Do we go? Well, I put just here the simple present in that translation. But it could be going to or will. Okay? It's the same as I put in the examples for negative and affirmative. Okay? Just to make it easier for you. Right? Well, you have to study these parts, okay? To memorize it and try to understand. But in the application of the daily life, you're going to get used to it or get used to them. Let's go now for our next page, page 26, okay? In that page 26, okay, we're going to have that practice through dialogue. I put here a dialogue. In that first, in that page is the first part 1. Put a dialogue in letter C. It means in Portuguese, diálogo. You see the dialogue and diálogo are very similar, right? They are Latin too. Dialogue. Part is Latin too. You say parte. Parte is the same as part. Okay? It's the same. It's Latin origin. I'm trying to put words that are quite simpler for you. Bastante mais simples. Okay? Let's see then this dialogue. In line 1, we have the Oi, Fernando. Como vão as coisas? Oi, Fernando. Como vão as coisas? Pay attention. Fernando, not Fernando. Fernando is the way you say San Fernando. No, Fernando. Not Fernando, okay? That's the difference. Oi, Fernando. Como vão as coisas? I underline vão, because vão is the verb go. Then I put there, hi, Fernando. How is it going? How is it going? How is it going? In this case, is the immediate future. Como vão as coisas? But I'm using the simple present in Portuguese. And in English, how is it? How is it going? How is it going? Literally is, how are things going? We say there, how are things going? Okay? Oi, Fernando, como vão as coisas? Hi, Fernando, how is it going? Fernando answered, beleza, cara. Beleza, cara. Escuta, nós vamos ter uma festa nesse sábado? Nós vamos ter uma festa nesse sábado? It's a question. It means, great, dude. Beleza is great. Great, dude. Dude is cara, or maybe guy. Beleza, cara. Great, dude. Great, dude. Listen, escuta. Are we having a party, or are we gonna have, okay? Or will we have, okay? It's the same. Are we having a party this Saturday? Are we having a party this Saturday? Okay, but you see in Portuguese, the question is, vamos ter, nós vamos ter. I put nós in parentheses because if you don't want to say it, no problem. You can go straight to the verb. Vamos ter uma festa nesse sábado? Vamos ter? Okay? So, I'm using vamos, the simple present. Presente simples in Portuguese. And I'm using here, are we having? Are we gonna have? It's future action. Okay? All right, but not in Portuguese. We can use the simple present to express the same idea. All right. Then, in line 3, he answers, eu não tenho ideia. Eu não tenho ideia means I have no idea. Ideia, idea is the same. It's Latin word too. Eu não tenho ideia. I have no idea. Onde vai ser a festa? Onde? Where? Vai ser a festa. I put there future. Will be the party. Where will be the party, or where the party will be. Something like that. Onde vai ser a festa? Onde vai ser a festa? Don't you put vai. Literally is, onde vai ser, it literally should be where goes be the party. Where goes be the party. You see, it sounds strange for you, but as I said, you can put the simple present. Presente simples em português. We say vai. Eu vou, tu vais, ele vai, ela vai, a festa, it goes. The party goes. Goes be. Where goes be the party? This is literally important. Where goes be the party? Onde vai ser be the party? You see how it is? Onde vai ser a festa? Onde vai ser a festa? Okay? You don't need to use the future in Portuguese. You don't need. If you want to use, okay. It's your choice. But as I'm saying, you can use simple present and you replace these 3 verbal sentences. Well, now we have in line 4 the answer. Parece que vai ser na casa da Sabrine. Parece que vai ser na casa da Sabrine. Parece. The translation is it looks like. It looks, or it looks like. Parece. Que vai ser. It will be. But instead of will, I put there vai. It looks like goes be. Goes be, not will be. Okay. Simple present, I put goes be. Vai ser. Parece que vai ser na casa da Sabrine. It looks like it will be at Sabrine's house or Sabrine's home. Okay? Casa is house. Okay? If you want to say home, okay, no problem. It looks like it will be at Sabrine's home or Sabrine's place. Okay? In line 5, nós temos que confirmar. Nós temos que confirmar. I put the verb confirmar is the same as to confirm. Confirmar is also Latin, so it's similar to your language. Temos que confirmar. We have to confirm. Confirm. Confirmar. Confirmação is confirmation. Confirmação, confirmation. We have to confirm. Nós temos que confirmar. Then, quem vai a essa festa? Quem vai? Quem é who? Who is going? But we say who goes? Who goes to that party? In Portuguese, literally is who goes. Because as I told you, you're going to use the simple present in Portuguese. Presente simples. So, quem vai a essa festa? Quem? Quem? Quem vai? Quem is who? Who is going to that party? Who is going to that party? Okay? Line 6. Parece. Parece, again, it looks like, parece que todos os amigos da Sabrine vão ser convidados. Parece que todos os amigos da Sabrine vão ser convidados. So we have the translation. It looks like, parece, all of, todos, all of Sabrine's friends, todos os amigos da Sabrine. And literally should be, it looks like all the friends of Sabrine. We say that in Portuguese, all the friends of Sabrine. We don't have that construction, Sabrine's friends, okay? We don't have that in Portuguese. It looks like all of Sabrine's friends are going to be invited. You see that I underlined the verbs to see the meaning in Portuguese and English. Então, parece, looks like, all of Sabrine's friends are going to be invited. Parece que todos os amigos da Sabrine vão ser. Are going. But literally, go. They go be invited. Literally, in Portuguese, that. Vão ser. It means go be. Eles vão ser. The friends, okay, are going to be invited. Invited is convidado. Convidado. Okay? All of Sabrina's friends are going to be invited. Okay. In line 7, the guy says, você é amigo dela, não é? Você é amigo dela. Você, you. You are amigo dela, seria her friend. Amigo dela is in a reverse way. You are her friend. Aren't you? Aren't you? Não é? Não é? Não é amigo dela? Aren't you? So, you are her friend. Aren't you? Sim, eu sou. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Okay? Well, let's read once again in the white lines in Portuguese. Let's see line 1. Oi, Fernando. Como vão as coisas? Beleza, cara. Escuta, nós vamos ter uma festa nesse sábado? Nós vamos ter uma festa nesse sábado? Beleza, cara. Escuta, nós vamos ter uma festa nesse sábado? Eu não tenho ideia. Onde vai ser a festa? Parece que vai ser na casa da Sabrine. Parece que vai ser na casa da Sabrine. Nós temos que confirmar. Quem vai a essa festa? Quem vai a essa festa? Parece que todos os amigos da Sabrine vão ser convidados. Parece que todos os amigos da Sabrine vão ser convidados. Você é amigo dela, não é? Você é amigo dela, não é? Sim, eu sou. Sim, eu sou. Ok. Let's go to the second part of this dialogue. Next page. Page 27. Okay. So in this second part, line 9, the guy says, então ela vai falar com você. Então ela vai falar com você. And then we have the then She will talk to you. She will talk to you or with you. Okay? She will talk with you. Normally, o com is with. You may say to you or with you, but we don't put that to, just with. Eu vou falar com ela para te convidar. Não se preocupe. It's the next line. But let's return to the line. Então ela vai falar com você. Then she will talk to you. I'm going to talk to her to invite you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay? Okay, I'm going to talk. I'm going to talk. Eu vou falar com ela. I'm going to talk. But it means I go talk, literally. I go talk to her. That's the way you say in Portuguese. I go talk to her. I'm going to talk to her to invite you. Don't worry. Look, I put there don't worry. Worry is not from Latin. But we have another verb. Is to preoccupy. Preoccupy is não se preocupe. To preoccupy, okay? Instead of saying worry, don't worry, we say não se preocupe. It means don't be preoccupied. Preoccupied. Don't be preoccupied. Não se preocupe. Or don't preoccupy. Don't preoccupy. We say that to guy. Preoccupy. Then you can say that. Não se preocupe. Preoccupy. Okay? It's another verb coming from Latin. Alright? Eu vou falar com ela para te convidar. Não se preocupe. Obrigado. Você sabe se o Gabriel vai à festa? Obrigado. Você sabe se o Gabriel vai à festa? Você sabe se o Gabriel vai à festa? Thanks. Obrigado. Do you know if Gabriel, you say Gabriel, but in Portuguese is Gabriel. Você sabe se o Gabriel vai à festa? Do you know if Gabriel is going to the party? Do you know if Gabriel is going to the party? Is going? But they say, do you know if Gabriel goes to the party? Literally is this. Presente simples, simple present. In line 12, eu não sei. Eu não sei. Ele tem uma namorada firme. Não sei se ele vai. Eu não sei means I don't know. I don't know. And he said, he has a steady girlfriend. He has a steady girlfriend. Steady, firme. We also have firm. Firm is firme, firm. In Latin, firm. But you prefer say steady. Steady job, steady girlfriend. Okay. Ele tem uma namorada firme. He has a steady girlfriend. I don't know if he will. Não sei se ele vai. I don't know if he will. Não sei. I don't know if he goes. Vai, goes. But it's as a future action. I put there, I don't know if he will, or I don't know if he is going to go, or something like that. Okay. Then the guy says in line 13, a namorada dele é ciumenta? This is a question. A namorada dele é ciumenta? Is his girlfriend jealous? Jealous. Ciumenta. Ciúme. Okay? Is jealous. Okay? A namorada dele é ciumenta? Is his girlfriend jealous? Parece que sim. It seems so. Parece que sim. It seems so. Parece que sim. It seems so. Another question. E a Rebeca? Você sabe se ela vai à festa? E a Rebeca? Rebeca. In English is Rebecca. But in Portuguese, Rebeca. Strong R is like an H. E a Rebeca? Você sabe se ela vai à festa? And Rebecca, do you know if she's going to the party? But in Portuguese is, do you know if she goes to the party? Simple present. Okay? E a Rebecca, do you know if she's going to the party? Não, ela não vai. Ela vai viajar para São Paulo. Não, ela não vai. It means no, she isn't. She isn't going. She's gonna travel. to São Paulo. She's going to travel. But we say she goes to travel to São Paulo. In Portuguese is that. Simple present. Okay? Okay, let's just read them to finish that. Number 9. Então, ela vai falar com você? Eu vou falar com ela para te convidar. Não se preocupe. Obrigado. Você sabe se o Gabriel vai à festa? Eu não sei. Ele tem uma namorada firme? Não sei se ele vai. Ele tem uma namorada firme? Não sei se ele vai. A namorada dele é ciumenta? A namorada dele é ciumenta? Parece que sim. E a Rebeca, você sabe se ela vai à festa? E a Rebeca, você sabe se ela vai à festa? Não, ela não vai. Ela vai viajar para São Paulo. Não, ela não vai. Ela vai viajar para São Paulo. Okay, everyone. This is the end of our lesson, okay? It could be much longer if I put here the present perfect. It will be in the next part, making more conversation and practicing this kind of thing. I just would ask you then if you could subscribe to the channel, please, and give your like or your dislike, okay? I hope to see you in our next class. Thank you.